snot all coming out of his nose and stuff.
Vinny, what are you doing? Looks like Vinny is playing with the thermostat, also known as an air purifier. And he's very entertained. Bubba's! Oh, there's a bird. What do you see out there? You see puppies?
Puppies?
Do you see puppies out there? Where's the puppies? Where? Oh, hi, Toby. Get down. Fancy! Vincenzo. Look at his little bubble butt. Look at his belly. Oh. Oh. Yeah. Oh my. That's so much fun, huh? You're so busy. Are you a busy baby? Vinny. You shouldn't be even touching that. You're going to be raising the electric bill. Oh my gosh, and then if I unplug it, he'll plug it back in. If I unplug it. What are you doing? Vanny! Yes, there's a light on there. Vinny, where's your choo-choo trains? Where's your choo-choo trains? No. You passed one. Vinny, they're already here. They're right there. You know where your choo-choo trains are. Right behind you. I'm shaking the camera because I'm laughing. He knows where they're at. Vinny. Vincy, come get your choo-choo. Choo-choo. Come tell the camera where the choo-choos are. Come here. Choo-choo train. Where's the choo-choo? Choo-choo train. Choo-choo. Come say choo-choo. He picks them up. Watch. He picks them up. Hercules over here. Open it up. Oh my goodness. This is too much. Look at all your choo-choo trains. What color is that? Give me the yellow train. Give me the yellow choo-choo. Where's the yellow choo-choo train? That looks like a lion. Where's the yellow choo-choo train? Vinny. That's a conductor. That's the conductor.